Hello, PES families. This is Miss Lopez, the media specialist. I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get to our Digital Learning Day assignments. The first thing that you will need to do is go to our website, which is pes.carrollcountyschools.com. Once you are on our webpage, up here at the top, you will need to click on our staff button. When the page loads, you will then click Staff Directory. Okay, from here, you will look for your homeroom teacher. Okay, for our pre-K, kindergarten, first and second graders, homeroom teacher. Again, for our third, fourth, and fifth graders, you will look for your homeroom teacher. All of your teachers in your grade level have combined their activities into one PowerPoint, and each teacher in third, fourth, and fifth grade has the same PowerPoint on their page. So you will just need to worry about going to your homeroom teacher so that you can get all of the activities for all of your classes. All right, so when you are on this staff page, you've clicked Staff Directory, you're going to scroll down and find your homeroom teacher. Notice that each teacher has a square with an arrow out. Okay, that is where you will visit their personal page, where you will find your digital learning activities. I'm going to go ahead and click on Miss Flores's page. So it will push you out to their personal pages here on our website. You will scroll down underneath their picture and their bio, and all of our teachers have a black digital learning button. This is where you will click and it will push you out to a PowerPoint where all of your digital learning activities will be found. Now, our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth grade classes, when you click on that black digital learning button, you will then be pushed out to a PowerPoint that looks like this. All of your content will be different within there, but you will all have a beginning slide that looks just like the one on this page. Be sure to click on the paw each day to sign in and log your attendance. All right? Now, for our pre-K and our kindergarten friends, yours is going to look a little bit different. Once you click on your teacher's name and you scroll down, your digital learning button will be the same. But once you click, you will have a document. Okay, so our pre-K class, Miss Lindsay's friends, and our kindergarten friends, you will have a document where your work will be provided. Again, don't forget to click to sign in each day so that we can log your attendance. Now, if you are to have any questions or concerns over the next few days, please feel free to reach out to your child's teacher. Okay, on our website, the little envelope next to their name, this is how you can email them. You will just click on that email, fill out your name, your email address, your message, click send, and it will send them a message where they will reply back to you. Or if you feel like ClassDojo is a better option, you may reach out to them through ClassDojo as well. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or concerns over the next few days. We will be here for each and every one of you, and we are excited for you to go through all of these engaging and fun assignments and activities that your teachers have provided for you. Happy digital learning, and we can't wait to see you soon.